In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to optimize your PC for gaming. First, go to search bar and type in adjust app appearance, search for it. Then navigate to the option that appears. Now check in for the option adjust best performance and click on apply. Next, search for defragmentation and optimize drives. Now select all the drives and click on optimize. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click on the startup tab and disable everything you don't need to start with your PC. Next, if you have Discord, launch it. Now go to settings, scroll down to game overlay and turn it off. Now for Steam users, launch Steam. Click on the option Steam, go to settings. Now head over to the option in game and disable for the option game overlay. Next, in the search bar, type display and go to advanced display settings. Click on the drop down for refresh rate and set it to the highest possible refresh rate. Next up, search for game mode in the search bar and turn game mode on. Also make sure the game bar is off. Next up, head over to graphic settings and enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If you notice any stuttering, turn this setting off. Next, search for background apps and turn them off, followed by notification. Turn those off too. If you have NVIDIA graphics card, right-click on your desktop, open the NVIDIA control panel and adjust these settings. Make sure to let the 3D app decide. If you ever want to reset your settings, just go to Restore Defaults in the top right corner and click Yes. And that's it, you have just optimized your PC for gaming. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.